How to add roller ramp support stands. Place the support stands next to the ramp at the midway point, or approximately every 6 to 8 feet. Turn the stand handle to raise or lower the height of the stand, then match the stand height with the bottom of the ramp loop. Use the T-nut that will fit in the back side of the ramp link. The T-bolt and washer will slide in through the stand from the outside and into the ramp link. Use T-bolt, washer, and T-nut to tighten the stand to the ramp. Further adjust the handle to adjust the height for both sides to be level. Now you're ready to enjoy the strength and flexibility of your roller ramp. Roller ramp, where strength and flexibility meet.